Good afternoon, everyone. In behalf of the Board of Trustees, St. Anne's School of Clarin Incorporated, I would like to extend our grateful gratitude to the following. To the parents and significant others of the graduate, for giving us the opportunity and privilege to be part in the early development of your children. Thank you so much for your trust. For my 14 competent healthcare providers and 4 hotel and restaurant services graduates, congratulations for passing the NC2 assessment. Congratulations for that. Conducted by the Technical Education Skills Development Authority. We knew that despite of your emotional and financial difficulties, you continued to pursue your dreams. Good luck and God bless. Bye-bye. To our PTCA officers, school year 2014-2015, thank you for your full cooperation and support for the realization of the vision, mission of our school. Thank you so much for that. To Sir Gali Calyao, my advisor and consultant, daghang salamat, sir. Salamat kayo. For my faculty and staff, Miss May, Miss Emma, Sir Jopel, Miss Berlin, Miss Birch, Sir June, Teacher Mira, Teacher Ann, Teacher Michelle, you are the Miss RJ, you are the backbone of the school. This ceremony will not be of great success without you. Thank you, kayo. Your compassion and dedication in teaching, especially in your patience with me, keep it up. To Miss Daisy, the overall chairman for this third moving up ceremony. Congratulations, Miss Daisy. To our honorable guest speaker for today, Dr. Berlin Ann Q. Permo, Dr. Elias Revelo, for gracing this occasion despite of their hectic schedule. We are greatly honored. To my family, Manang Meds, Terry Boy, Margie Ann, Virginia, June and Daisy, and my brother, and my son, Ken and Nemi, you will always be my strength and my inspiration. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you. And most to our Almighty God who have made all these things possible beyond what we expect. Thank you. And to God all be the glory. Good evening, everyone.